Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Once again I am here. You are watching my channel English with Rasni Devi. Today in my video I am going to share with you. Actually, first of all I would like to tell you I am not going to tell you any suggest, but I am going to tell you why am I learning English, because you know very well I am homemaker. So I want to teach my child and I want to teach English to other person. So that's why I am learning English. So that's why I am here. This time I don't have more much time. Taking out time, I am making the video for you. So please let me know whether I am good or not, because I feel something like this. I am being the perfect. Okay. So please let me know why doing the comment. Please let me know whether I am good or not, because I am having the practice with you. So please do the feedback. Okay. Your feedback is very good for improving English. Okay. So now its question rise, how am I learning English at my home? I don't have any partner, I don't have any environment. So with whom I can speak English? So I would like to tell you, if you don't have any partner, it's okay. You have good mobile phone. You can use mobile phone, and you can use mobile phone by making the video, and you can use this way, and definitely you will be perfect in English, because I am using this way. So I feel something like this, I am being the perfect. This time I told you I don't have time. Okay, I don't have more much time, but I am making the video because I am keeping the consistency is very important. Currently I am making the video, so that's why I am making the video for you. So please let me know, because I am having the hard work a lot, because I want to be perfect. I want to be fluent in English. So please let me know. Okay. And I create, I have, very well, I have mobile phone, and I make the video in front of mobile phone. Okay, I use for the video, and then I I check my video and I find the mistake, and then I correct it. Okay, so you can make the video and you can check your mistake. Okay, so I think this is a very good for improving. Actually, this way is very good for improving English, and you can use. Okay, and another way I watch the English video all the time when I have time, so that time I watch the English video, because while listening I learned a lot thing related to speaking English. So that's why I am telling to you, listening power is very important. All the people say something like this, when you are good listener, definitely you will be good speaker. Okay, so listening power is very good, and you should apply this way. You should watch English video more, so definitely you will be improved. Okay, and don't think about people, because this time I am not good at English. I am making the mistake, and when we start speaking English in front of other people, so people make the fun at me. So please don't focus other people, only try to speak English, and only try to have the practice more. so definitely you will be improved. Okay, so in the end I would like to tell you, if you like my video, so please do subscribe, like, share and comment my video. And why comment, tell me I am good or not, because your comment is very good for improving English. So thank you for watching my video. Bye bye.